Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can sign in to the Pacific Western Bank. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you've made sure that you're connected to the internet, open up a web browser. Now, on your web browser, type in www.pacwest.com and hit enter. After the home page of the Pacific Western Bank opens up on your screen, on the top right corner of your screen you'll see a sign in button. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the sign in button, a menu will pop up on your screen. In this menu, click on the Consumer e-banking option. Once you click on that option, you'll be directed to another page. In this page, you will have to fill in your credentials. You will have to fill in your user ID here and then click on continue. Once you click on the continue button, and if you have filled in your user ID correctly, you'll be further guided to another page which will help you to sign in to the Pacific Western Bank. I hope this video helped you to sign in to the Pacific Western Bank. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.